this is Rosa Kelly. Welcome to a new video. So today we're going to be doing a little craft along. I'm going to be adding paper to this mini album. So this is a blank book that I have that I created with my YouTube members on our live class that we had, I think it was a couple weeks ago. And so I'm going to have the link down below if you guys would like to see the tutorial, but it is part of the membership. So if you would like to join the live classes once a month, I think that will be super fun. But also I hope that you can use this video and just kind of have it in the background as a craft along with me as you work on your own projects as well. So we are going to be using this collection by Minty called Winterland. I want this to be a kind of like a Christmas in July book. I did decorate or added paper to the outside of the book during the live class, so I won't be doing the cover, but I will be doing adding the paper on the inside of the book, and then also adding some other additional details and kind of showing you how I maximize the paper, doing a little bit of paper piecing, creating pockets, and just making the book a little bit more special. So when I start adding paper to my books, the first thing that I like to do is just cut the main pieces where I'm going to be decorating with the design paper, and then also using my scrap pieces as I go. So I have these little leftovers and I want to go ahead and find a place for that right away. Sometimes you might need to do a little bit of paper piecing, but I'd rather add a little bit of paper on the side than to cut a whole new page for a small space. So I'm cutting those two pieces, and then as you can see, I'm gonna just cut a little bit of another paper to just add the little bit that I am still missing. That I like to do when I'm adding my paper is to maybe create some practical spaces to add pictures. So over here I'm going to create a slit pocket to be able to use the page and add some pictures or some journaling, since I probably won't want to glue anything on top of this beautiful paper. So that is a good way to maximize and display the beautiful design paper, but also create a little space for a picture there as well. So now I'm just going to measure the size of that little slit cut and create a tag that we can add in there as well. Now when you do this type of slit pocket, you are basically just going to glue the sides of the pages and leave everything that is going to be on the tag without any glue to be able to put your tag in and out of the page. Since I like to use my scraps first, a good idea is always to create a pocket if you're paper piecing. So one thing that I like to do is if I'm going to add two larger pieces of paper on a page, I'm going to glue one down first, and then for the second piece I'm just gonna glue around the sides to be able to have that as a practical, pocket, so you can add pictures but also tag some little journaling cards on the inside as well. Adding paper to a mini album can be a tedious process sometimes, so another tip that I have for you is to put on your favorite music and just relax and have fun. So another tip is to use a little pencil and just pencil mark the areas that are kind of hard to cut. So sometimes it's easier to just mark it instead of measuring everything. So I went ahead and cut the size, the main size first, and then I'm just gonna measure the little opening or the little cut for these pockets. And then you want to place the two pieces together but kind of like back to back, so that way you have the the mirror image of the for both sides. And yeah, there you go. I really had a lot of fun decorating this book, and I had a lot of fun making this book for you guys on the live class. I want to thank all my YouTube members for joining along, and I hope you guys enjoy seeing the process of decorating. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Thank you for all your support, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.